In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account manually in Microsoft Authenticator. If you've ever needed to set up two-factor authentication but couldn't scan a QR code, this walkthrough will show you how to add an account using a secret key instead. We'll keep it simple, clear, and secure so you can follow along with confidence. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. Make sure you already have the account name and the secret key provided by the website or service you're trying to protect. This secret key is usually shown on the site's security or two-step verification page as an alternative to scanning a QR code. Treat it like a password and keep it private. Once the app is open, look to the top right and tap the plus icon, the Add Account button. This is where you can create a new entry for the service you're setting up. You'll see several account types. Choose Other. This option works for most services that use standard time-based one-time passwords, even if the brand isn't listed. Next, tap Enter Code manually. Many sites prefer you to scan a QR code, but when that isn't possible, manual entry does the same job. You'll be asked for two things, an account name and the secret key. The account name is simply a label to help you recognize the service at a glance. Pick a clear, memorable name that matches what you see on the website's setup page. Now carefully type the secret key exactly as it appears on the website. Pay close attention to every character. These keys often use letters and numbers and are not case sensitive if they're base 32, but it's still important to match the formatting shown. Avoid extra spaces and double check before moving on. If the website specifies additional details, such as the number of digits or algorithm, the app usually detects the standard settings automatically. When you're done, tap Finish. You should now see a new entry in Microsoft Authenticator with a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. That's your verification code for signing in. The website that gave you the secret key will typically ask you to enter one of these codes to confirm the setup. If the code isn't accepted, verify that the secret key matches exactly and that you use the correct account label. That's it, you've added an account to Microsoft Authenticator manually, giving your login an extra layer of protection without needing a QR code.